So in this video we'll be having a look at how to create a drop-down menu in Excel, also known as data validation. So as you can see here, we have an invoices table. We have the invoice ID, the invoice date, supplier name, invoice amount, and the status of the invoice. Now let's say we want to create a drop-down list for someone to manually come in and say whether the invoice has been paid or not. Now what we need to do firstly is create the list that we're looking to create the drop-down list from. So I'll just call this list. And let's say we have 3 payment statuses. First one is paid, second one is processing, and the third one is not paid. So that's our list there. Now what you want to do is select the cell that you're looking for the list to appear in, go to data, and then data validation, and you'll see this pop-up box appear. Now where it says allow any value, you want to click on that drop-down list and change it to list. Then you'll see this source box appears. So firstly click in the source box, and then you want to just highlight the list that you're looking to create. You'll see that puts the range reference in there, and then click OK. So now you can see there's a drop-down list arrow appeared next to the cell. If I click on that, you can see we have our 3 options there. If you want to copy that down to other cells, just delete the value of that just now. You can just copy it down with the little green square and the bottom right hand corner of the cell. And you can see that's applied the drop-down list to all of the other cells. Now the good thing about this is if I try to type anything in here, hit enter, you get an error message. This is because the only thing that can now be in this cell is anything which is in that list. So that's how you make a drop-down list known as data validation in Excel.